Hi guys, well the day is here. We are at the venue for Julie's baby shower and I'm just waiting for my helpers to come so we can start decorating and get this party started. So I will take you along as much as I can during the day and yeah, so you can enjoy this beautiful, wonderful day with us. So come along. So my helpers are here and we're making the balloon archway, and my daughter-in-law, this is my daughter-in-law Monique, and she's an expert at that, so she has pretty much created this beautiful arch. And so I'm just going to give you a quick video this week, just kind of showing you how the whole event took off, and soon you will see the guest of honor arrive. And I hope that you will just enjoy this quick video of a great day. Everything turned out fabulous. We actually had the room upgraded for us by the Hotel 1620 in Plymouth on the waterfront. And it was wonderful. And no one had booked the room, so they upgraded us. So it was really, really wonderful. So here comes the guest of honor. Pretty quickly you will see her, and it's my daughter Julie. Here comes my son Carl, and yeah, we just had a really spectacular day, so just enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm taking a picture of you. I'm actually filming you taking a picture of me.
Am I gonna film?
Yes, you are.
Hi.
You are the star of the show.